Sometimes the best-selling projects require the least amount of effort, and that's what we have today. I've got an 8-foot 1x6, and we're going to turn it into 3 best-selling projects.
Surely you're not serious.
I am serious, and don't call me Shirley.
Okay, we're going to start at the miter saw, and we're going to cut 6 10-inch pieces out of our 1x6. And with the remaining piece of the 1x6, we're going to cut 3 about 8 1/4 inch pieces. Alright. So now we've got some templates that Cheryl has generously made. They will be available in the description. We are going to go ahead and trace out our shapes on the 10-inch pieces. Mess that up. Yeah, do better than that. All right.
I usually do the templates, that's why. Aaron sucks.
Ooh, you suck!
Now you can make this a one saw project if you want. You can do all this stuff with a jigsaw, or you can do it all with a bandsaw. We're going to use the bandsaw to cut all these shapes.
You can also use a scroll saw.
That's true. So now we're just going to use the ones we cut out as templates to trace the rest of the rocks and cross on with. So I'm going to do that real quick and we'll get back to cutting. Okay, before we do any sanding or staining, we're going to use our little X tool F2 to engrave. He has risen on a couple of them and a very important scripture that goes along with the resurrection. So this is extra money you can make on this project in addition to the base price that you charge.
And that's on the little door.
Yep, this is on the rock.
Yep.
So we got it in there and we're going to get it going on the engraving. Take about 1:40 seconds. We'll probably speed it up.
Now, if you don't have a laser engraver, you can always make a stencil.
That's right, or don't do it at all.
Yeah.
This is just added value to the project.
Yeah. That's why these laser engravers are so awesome to have. We'll put a link in the description if you're interested in this. It's the F2. And we'll also put a link for the Sale Samurai, and that's the website we use, and we can find bestsellers on Etsy and how to word them, all that kind of great stuff. Perfect.
There it is. Alright, so we're going to do a different design on another one of the rocks. And now we'll do the scripture one. It is John 11:25. Okay, got all the laser done, everything's sanded. We're gonna do the big back mountain.
No, you are so dumb.
With provincial. We're gonna do the cross and the front rock and other mountain and golden oak. And we'll do the 3 pieces first, get those out of the way. This is provincial, or as our friend Jasco says, provincial.
I just went ahead and did the same provincial stains.
Shout out Jasco.
Really, you can stain them any color you want, though. This is just the color we chose.
This is what we have handy.
But the more creative you are, the more you'll stand out.
More sales you'll have.
Yep.
These things are exploding on Etsy right now, so now is the time to make your move. And there's still time before Easter.
Yeah, Easter's just around the corner, though.
Yep.
April 5th, I think.
Got 2.5 weeks.
Yep.
Three and a half weeks.
Something.
It's coming up, y'all.
It's exactly a month from Thursday.
Okay. It's a month away.
He's trying to make it quicker.
Get in there. Okay, there's the back rock.
The big back rock.
Big back rock. Broke back rock. And now we're gonna do the remaining pieces. Golden oak.
My all-time favorite.
Alright, so that's a full set stain. We'll go ahead and finish the others off camera so you don't have to suffer through that, but that's it.
All right, guys, here's the finished tombs.
Happy
Easter tombs, yes. We did 3 different sayings on them, as you guys, well, they're 2 of them are the same. One's a Bible verse.
Yep. These sell, here is where we got our reference from, $53 a piece.
Yeah.
You can see how many people have them in their basket and how many people have bought them in the last 24 hours.
Yep.
These are the ones you need to do. I would go about 60 bucks a piece on these because they're engraved. This one has fancy little leather around the cross.
Yeah, I was gonna wrap jute, and then I didn't have any here at work. It's at home, so I had some little leather strap, but that looks really cool too.
It does, very cool.
Little added touches like that make your stuff stand out above the rest.
That's right. These are this year's hot items, so get in there now and make them and sell them because they're going crazy.
Yep.
So,
if you guys haven't had a chance, please subscribe to the channel if you like, and like the video and share and hi.
yep.
And we really appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, y'all.
Bye-bye.
Pow.